we need to create a debriefing and an option to replay the game. So after the game is over, we want to reveal the profit for all three companies to all of the players. We also want to give people the opportunity to replay the game. What you're going to learn here is how to build a debriefing and how to trigger navigation to it using simulation events. And you're going to learn how to restart a game using the Ready to Start button action. So let's go ahead and implement that. To make our debriefing page, we're going to add a new page, and we're going to have it use the first template without any of the navigation. And on this page, we're going to put the market share graph. So let's take the market share graph off the dashboard, copy it and paste it, and just change it from a pie chart to an area chart, and change the maxed Y value from 200 by default to 100 so that we can see a nice slice of market share over time. Then what we'll do is we'll take our cumulative profit graph here that we've made for a single company and paste it here. And we'll set this graph up so that it is used by all three companies. So we'll take that series off and we'll change it to be cumulative profit for star. And now we have a nice line graph of cumulative profit for all three companies. And what we'll need to do is quickly show a legend, and we'll change the legend to say the name of the company. Google, Amazon, and Apple. Very good. Now we've created our two charts. What we need to do is provide a navigation mechanism to get you to this page. To do that, we're going to use a simulation event. So just like the game advanced event, the game over event is triggered whenever we're at the end of the simulation and moves from 0 to 1. So we want to trigger it once per run or every occurrence of the event. It's the same. And we want to do it if the run was started via the interface window. This action is triggered for everybody. And it's going to say game is over, time to review results, and decide if you want to play again. And that's going to bring us to page 4, which is our debrief page. Finally, what we need to do is set up a button which allows us to restart the game if we want. To do that, let's take a button that we've already set up, this ready button, copy it, go back to the page, paste it, and instead of navigating into a waiting room in this case, we're just going to mark this button as ready to start. And this now has given us a debriefing page. Whenever a game restarts, it's going to bring people to the page specified as the page the user starts at. So the navigation off of the debrief is taken care of inside the multiplayer options.